In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge to Google. So basically making Google your default search engine. Now you'll notice when you search for anything on Microsoft Edge, it uses Bing as the default search engine. So let's change that to Google. So this is very simple. All you have to do is go to the top right corner of Microsoft Edge, just next to the address bar, and click on the three dot button at the top there. From the drop down menu, go ahead and click on settings, and that should open the Microsoft Edge settings page. Now, as you're here, on the left hand side, click on privacy, search and services. That should take you to that page. And on that page, you want to scroll all the way down somewhere near the bottom. Just scroll all the way down until you see the services section, and then click on address bar and search. Now, once you click on that, you should see the option for search engine used in the address bar. Now, if you click on this drop down arrow, you can see all the search engines you can use in the address bar. We have Bing as the default, currently selected for obvious reasons, but now let's change that to Google and click on Google. Now that's going to make Google the default search engine, and now you can just go to a new tab, and now when you search for something in the address bar, it should search using Google. Now that didn't work, so let's check what happened. Now you'll notice as soon as you add Google as the default search engine, you'll have to come here to search on new tabs uses a search box or address bar. So let's click on this drop down arrow and select address bar so that you can actually have Google as the search engine in the address bar. Now once you do that, you can now close this page. Now let's try and open a new tab and then do a quick search. So I'm just gonna go to the address bar and search for something. So now when I open a new tab and then search for something in the address bar, it's gonna search with google.com. Now I have to say that it takes a couple of moments before it actually works. I had to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes before it actually worked, and now every time I search using the address bar, it searches with Google as the default search engine. So that is basically how to make Google your default search engine on Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.